In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly embed a Typeform survey or form directly into your email communications. This skill is invaluable for anyone looking to engage their audience through surveys, feedback forms, or any interactive content right within an email, enhancing your audience's experience by not requiring them to click through to another site. First things first, we'll start by navigating our way to the Typeform website. Once you're there, you're going to look for the login button. It's typically easy to spot, and clicking on this will take you one step closer to embedding your form into an email. For those who have their Typeform account linked to Google, you'll find an option to continue with Google, which simplifies your login process. This is a nice shortcut for users who prefer consolidating their passwords and login credentials through Google's ecosystem. After selecting the option to continue with Google, you might have to wait a couple of minutes. This is normal. It's just the website processing your request and securely logging you into your account. It's a good moment to make sure you're logged into the correct Google account that is associated with your Typeform to avoid any login issues. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll navigate to your specific form that you wish to embed in an email. This could be a survey you've designed to gather customer feedback, or maybe a sign-up form for an upcoming event. It will be listed among your other forms if you have created multiple ones. If you're not immediately sure where to find your forms, look for a section usually referred to as My Forms, or something similar. Next, you'll see a Share button associated with the form you've chosen. This button is your gateway to various sharing options Typeform offers, including the one we're interested in today, embedding in an email. Click on Share to proceed. Once you click on Share, you'll see several options. Look for the one that says Embed in an email. This specific option is designed to provide a snippet of HTML code that can be directly inserted into the body of your email, allowing the form to be displayed within the email itself. After selecting Embed in an email, click on Start Embedding. This will prepare the system to generate your embeddable code. The process is smooth, and Typeform's interface is designed to guide you through each step clearly. Upon selection, you'll be presented with an option to copy the HTML code that's been generated for your form. This code is what you'll use to embed the form into your email. Simply click copy to place this code onto your clipboard. Now the final step is bringing this code into your email. With the code copied, navigate to your email distribution app. This could be any platform you use to send out mass emails or newsletters such as MailChimp, Constant Contact, or even a direct email client if you're sending out a more personalized message. Once you're in your email project or draft, paste the HTML code into the HTML view or source code area of the email body. This action embeds your Typeform directly into the email. And that's it. You've successfully embedded your Typeform into an email. Before sending it out, it's always a good practice to send a test email to yourself. This test ensures everything displays correctly and the form is functioning as expected within the email environment. Remember, this technique opens up a new pathway to engage with your audience directly from their inbox, making it easier for them to respond to your surveys or sign-ups without the disruption of navigating away from their email. In conclusion, embedding a Typeform into an email streamlines the process of collecting responses by meeting your audience where they already are, in their inbox. It's a straightforward process that can significantly enhance your engagement rates. Like all technical processes, it may take a little practice to perfect, but by following the steps outlined today, you're well on your way. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Engaging your audience has never been easier, and embedding Typeform in your emails adds that extra layer of seamless interaction. Try it out in your next email campaign and watch your engagement metrics soar. Thank you for watching, and happy emailing.